Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have a haul for you. This is my free makeup haul. This is not PR, that kind of free makeup. This is like points, free makeup from points. So I'm super pumped. I, for the first time ever, was able to redeem my Sephora points for one of their $100 gift cards, which has been going on for a while, but like they always sell out immediately. So I put a little alarm on my phone and one day it happened to be there when I checked. So I was able to grab one of those, as well as Shoppers Drug Mart had a bonus redemption, which meant I had $150 worth of points, but I could redeem it for, I think it was like $180. It's like an extra $30 in value. So I did that too. This new background, I know a lot of you are super pumped about it. I am too. I'm still playing around with angles. I'm not sure what angle I enjoy. If I move this camera up a little bit, you can see the ring light. So that's why for now, this is what we're gonna do. But I do like this background. And my husband bought me those lights. Just one day I came home and he had bought them somewhere. I don't even know where he got them from. And now I have sea turtles back there too. See, I do love sea turtles. I keep telling you guys, but there's never been any proof of it. Okay, so let's jump into the haul. Let's start with the Shoppers Drug Mart stuff. Now, normally Shoppers stuff has always come to me super well packaged. They have like these blue like fabric bags they put everything in, and it's all super nice. But this came and it had leaked everywhere. And if you can tell, I mean, I don't know how high up it normally was, but I would imagine probably almost all the way to the top. That's how much leaked out of it. I was super excited about this though. This is the Bioderma Ultra Nourishing Anti-Irritation Shower Oil. It says it cleanses, restores lipids, and soothes to prevent, like, it's for skin barrier therapy, it says. I am super excited. Look how gigantic this is. It was $20. I know like the L'Occitane almond oil that I like to shave with, that's more than that and you get way less. So I was like, I need to try this stuff. I have no idea if it's any good. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. And of course I will report back to you. I picked up a package of these. These are so good. By the way, don't mind this ratchet nail right here. It's getting fixed tomorrow. Okay, this is the Quo Luxury Cotton Facial Pads. These are exact dupes for the Shiseido cottons. And they're about, I wanna say $3 or $4 cheaper. They're super gentle. Love using these for removing eye makeup. So I have repurchased and repurchased those so many times. This is, I am so excited. I finally was able to get this again because I love this brow pencil. I want to say this is now my favorite brow pencil of all time. Might even be my favorite brow product of all time. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It just, I like it better than the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It just is a little bit more soft and not as waxy, so it applies a little bit easier. I just realized though, this is shade 4.5 and I definitely am not 4.5. I'm pretty sure I'm 3 is what I got last time. I don't know if that was my fault or if they sent me the wrong color, so I'm just gonna have to go into a Shoppers and exchange it, which is no big deal. Okay, they have living proof on the Shoppers website now. So I had got a sample of this, like one of those foil packets. It was the shampoo and conditioner, and I really loved it. This is the Living Proof No Frizz, it just says frizz with a line through it, frizz shampoo, and it says stops frizz and gently cleanses. I just got the shampoo though, so I don't normally deal with frizzy hair except for on my ends, but what I really liked this for when I used it was it seemed to give me a ton of like volume. And that isn't even the intended consequence of it. So I wanted to try like a full thing. I didn't want to get the conditioner though because I've been using the Olaplex conditioner and I really like it. I feel like it really has made a difference to the softness of my hair. So I figured I would just try this shampoo and continue with the Olaplex conditioner and see if, I don't know, just see what the results are. Okay, I redeemed for a perfume. This is a perfume that I sprayed on myself in store probably a year ago and I really liked it, and then I totally forgot about it and I just happened to see it on their website, and this is from Cacharel, which I don't even know that brand really, and it's called Yes I Am, and I just love this bottle. This is the smaller one, so you could have got the bigger one for more money or the smaller one. How many ounces is this? Well, it's 1 fluid ounce, so that, you know, that's pretty good. But don't you just love this bottle, and it smells so good. I'll link to the notes below because I'm really bad at describing it, but I would say it's a very like sultry scent. And the very last thing that I ordered I'm not sure if I regret this or not. Okay, this is a Dior Addict, what's it called? Stellar Shine is the new line, and it's called Mirage. I saw this on the website. Look, I love this box. I might even keep this box with it. I saw this on the website and I was like, oh, what is that? Like, it's brand new. I haven't heard of these yet. And I Googled swatches and I looked at them all, and this one looked like super pretty. It looked like a nice, like, beigey, is that even the right word? I don't know. It just looked like a rosy, everyday color, but very opaque. And it's not opaque at all. Like, I guess it looks better on my hand than it does on my lips, but on my lips that are already a little bit pink, like, this doesn't look like anything. It just looks like shininess, and I don't know. After I purchased this or redeemed for it, I saw Tim Talia, like, did not give these good reviews. But I don't know, like, I did use my points for it, so it's kind of a pain to, like, go exchange it. I'm still on the fence on this one. It's a pretty color, but it's not, like, Dior pricing level pretty. Like, you don't need this in your life for that price, you know what I'm saying? Okay, here is the stuff I got from Sephora. So even before I got the, what's it called? The gift card. The week prior, they had these that you could redeem for points. So they started having these full size things pop up. I know, like, this week there's like a Tarte primer, like full size products, and you can redeem for usually around 500 or 700 points. So this was 750 points, and this is a full size Ole Henriksen moisturizer. It's the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It says 24-hour hydration, targets fine lines and wrinkles with 3 sources of vitamin C, rose winter extract, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, vitamin C moisturizer for free because I had points. So I was like really, really excited about that. Packages kept coming to my house, and I'm like telling my husband, don't worry, it's free, it's free. He's like, yeah, right, it's not all free. I'm like, this time it actually was. There might have been times in the past that I was not truthful about that. Okay, so just encouraging lying to your spouse about your purchases, not a good thing. Do not follow my example. It doesn't happen very often. Okay, next thing is this. This is something that I have been thinking about for the last, I want to say 3 months or so. Thinking about purchasing. It wasn't on my radar when it first came out. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So the, you know, the big shebang permanent one. When this first came out, I didn't buy it because, number one, I never wanted to order from the Morphe website. It always seemed like kind of a pain in the butt. And then I thought it was limited edition. And then it became permanent, and Sephora Canada carries Morphe on their website, and that's where it was. And I've been thinking about trying it just because, you know, it's the beauty space, it's the beauty community. This is a part of it, like, let's not deny that. So I purchased it with my $100 gift card, and I've used it 3 times now. I'm wearing it today. This is what's on my eyes today. I haven't used every shade in it, obviously. I really, though, like the way the mattes in this blend. I think they blend really easily, really effortlessly. It's the shimmers that I'm not sure about. The shimmers seem very thick, dimethicone-y, like not super soft. They're a little finicky to apply, like they don't go on as easily and effortlessly as I want. I really like the mattes, not so much the shimmers so far. So I'm gonna continue playing with it. Obviously I'll do a couple tutorials with it probably, but yeah, like I like this look that came out of it, but I don't know, it's just not been blowing me away yet. It's been pleasant though. So last week I went into Sephora and I was just playing around swatching things, and I swatched this. This is the Cheekleaders Mini Bronze Squad from Benefit. I swatched the shade Cookie in store and I loved it. And I was thinking about it, I almost bought it right there on the spot, but then I didn't, I walked away. And then I asked you guys in, what video was it? What I'm deleting from my Sephora loves list, like, should I buy this one or should I buy the big one? And once I got the $100 gift card, I was like, you know what? This is perfect timing. I can get this, I can get the small one. It'll be free for me in the end. So that's what I did. So I got this one. This one has 3 shades in it. It does have a little mirror too. It's got Cookie, which is the highlighter that everybody's going crazy for, and the highlighter that I am wearing. Like, look how beautiful it is. It's stunning. I know people use that word a lot, but it really, like, I just love the glow that I have today. It has regular Hoola in it, Cookie, and Gold Rush. Gold Rush I am not very impressed with. Lisa got this palette too, and she said Gold Rush doesn't even show up on her, and it doesn't even really show up on me either. I used this like the very next day, and I wanted to see what Gold Rush would do on me, and it really doesn't show up at all. I think it would have to be the dead of winter, my palest of pale, for that to do anything on my skin. So, I mean, maybe it could be like a blush topper, but I'm not really, blush topper is such a cop-out. I think like nobody actually reaches for blush toppers, do we? But I don't really care, because the reason I wanted this palette was for Cookie and Cookie only, and that's it right there. And it's so pretty. I really like the one in the other palette too. I think it's called Twinkle. I can't remember, but it was really pretty as well. But this one is a little bit more intense. So that's what I'm wearing today. I'm also wearing Hoola today, which is just a classic. I already owned it, but I feel like it's not a bad thing to have two Hoolas. And to round out the order and take me right over the $100 mark was this. I just finished one of these, and I'm super happy that it ended up that I could purchase it again. It's the Sephora Eau Soleil Beach Vibes Melting Shower Jelly. I also have the exfoliator. Love this scent. It's so lovely if you like beach scents. Even if you don't like beach scents, I'm not even a beach scent person, and I love it. It's just the best like beachy scent in the world. So I also love this method of dispensing. Is that what you want to say? This actually has a hole in it down here, and then this twists. Of course, you're going to hold it the other way, and you squeeze it, and it comes out the bottom, so it just twists open and twists closed. I really like the packaging on this too. It's super cute. But yeah, the scent of this is amazing. And if you don't like or need shower gels, the exfoliator has the same scent, and it's a really good exfoliator. I always exfoliate right before I shave my legs, so that you're getting any dead skin off. It's just a nicer, closer shave, and it prevents ingrown hairs, I find. So either one, but the scent is amazing. Okay, one more little box here. This wasn't anything free, but I did come across this random 20% off coupon for Sephora. I go on the subreddit Makeup Addiction Canada, and I check it every day, which is bad, because they, like, everybody's posting deals. Anytime there's a deal, it'll be posted there. Like, people are on it. So somebody had posted this code that was just 20% off all of Sephora, and I was like, well, I don't even know if the VIB sale is going to be 20 or 15% off, so maybe I'll just get a few things. So it ended up that that code worked for a few hours, and then Sephora put the kibosh on it, and it was gone. So it was kind of like fortuitous that I was able to do that. I got a couple needs, a couple wants, and one thing for review. So first of all, this I'm actually reviewing for you today as we speak. I just filmed the intro to my all day wear test of this. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation, and it is in the shade 215 medium nude, which is a neutral. They come in neutral, warm, and cool undertones, so you should hopefully theoretically be able to get your exact tone, exact undertone. There's 48 shades, so I'm not sure which will go up first. Probably, who knows, whichever. If it's up, I'll link it. If it's not, just, you know, it'll come up in your subscription feed soon. Okay, this also was a need. Well, a need, but maybe not. Maybe it's just something I want to try out. This is the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream, and it says hydrate and depuff. I had smelled this in store, and it smells super good. Like, eye creams, really? I don't know why it smells so good. I don't know what, like, is in this, other than it says it has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm sure there's some other stuff. It says made in France as well. So it's the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream, and it says HYA on it. They also have the moisturizer, which I had smelled in store, and it says 3.0 on it, and I don't know what those things mean. So anyway, the moisturizer smelled great too. I was kind of tempted, but I have enough moisturizer in my life. So this is what I'm intending on using for my day eye cream, and then I'll just use more heavy duty things at night. So let me know if you want me to report back on that. And also, finally repurchased this. I used to just repurchase this every time I used one up, but I wanted to try some drugstore stuff, and I've tried a couple, and nothing kind of replaces this for me. So this is the MAC Giga Black Lash Mascara. It has a very, should I use it right now? Should I open it? Yeah, you know what, let's just do it. It has a very thin wand, like super long and super thin. And this is what I use for under my like my lower eyelashes. It fits in there so perfectly. It never transfers, it never smudges on me at all. It's such a favorite. I've heard so many people on YouTube talk about it, and that's originally why I purchased it. And I have probably gone through like 5 tubes of this in the course of my channel. So love it, love it, love it. And then these 2 things are more so wants than needs. I saw Sam Ravindal wearing this in a video, and she talked about it. She just mentioned it. It wasn't like a review. This is from Kaja, and it's the Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. I don't even know if this is the one she was wearing, but this is in the shade 03 Toasted Caramel, and it looked gorgeous on her. I'm gonna assume it's the one she was wearing because her look was very like goldeny, toasty brown. So this has 3 shades in it, and this little guy opens like this. So you got 3 different shades in here. Isn't it pretty? And it's even got a little mirror. I don't know that Kaja was on my radar until I tried the, I think it's called the Melting Heart lipstick, and I really liked it. So it says it's bouncy. They don't feel super bouncy to me. They feel like just regular pressed eyeshadows, but there's 3 different shades. They are all very shimmery, and they all look super beautiful. I don't even know if it's coming across how pretty they are. Okay, just turn that down to its lowest setting, the light, just so it's not being washed out at all. But I think you can see they're so pretty. I'm really excited to try that out. I want to try it like tomorrow to see if it's really great. And then this, I don't know what struck me about this, but I've been hearing good things about Wander Beauty's eyeshadows, and this is the Wander Wondrous Fling palette. And I'm pretty sure it's limited edition, and I'm pretty sure it's just for spring. Look at this package. So gorgeous. There's just 6 shades in here, and they're all shimmery. I swatched them last night. They are all shimmery. Bless you. This one I would say is the least, no, sorry, this one is the least, like it's more of a satin, and these are all like very metallic. Okay, so there's the 5 metallics down there, and I think you can see, probably, it's very like much a crease shade, but it's still, like I said, it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's like a satiny. Anyways, that shade is called Eden, and that is the only one that I would put in my crease from this palette. But this, I saw it on the website, and there was just something about it that was like calling to me, and I think it's exactly what I wanted it to be. Like, it's very, I don't know, very soft metallics in a way. Does that make sense? Like, they're very bright and like very like, yeah, in here, but the color selection I feel like is like very soft. I don't know. Does that make any sense at all? Maybe not. Anyway, I got all that stuff for 20% off. So like I said, I don't even know if the VIB sale is going to be 20% off. So I was really happy about that. If you aren't on Reddit, I would say dip your toe into it, because there's a lot of subreddits about makeup, and you can get a lot of great advice and have a lot of fun and find out about deals and that kind of thing. If you're in Canada, I'll put it right here on the screen just so you know exactly where to go. But I know there's just a general one, I think it's just called Makeup Addiction, that would be like more so geared towards Americans. In the rest of the world, I don't know where to tell you to go. So that is it for my haul today. I hope that you really enjoyed. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and please subscribe if you're new around here. I'd love to see you around in the future. That's it for today. Please speak kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Good talk.